Man Bing Bing Diablo, followed by Ron Pelidor, bike number 3 from Martis Racing Team from Cagayan de Oro. We have Angelo Medina from Usames, Mr. Alvarez from Zamboanga City, and then Maki Chong, bike number 31, all the way from Egypt, Zamboanga City. Okay. Ganun pa rin, no? Okay, bakbakan to the max, no? Grabe. Okay. Tersipan na yung ba to? Yan, pangatlo na po sa Angelo Medina. Bakit ang nangyari kay Lister Alvarez? Wow! Nabol na naman Maki Chong. Yes. Ayun, no? Isang napakagandang tricks na naman. Laber. Okay. Bike number 23, we have Min Ludin. Okay, bakbakan with Ron Pelidor. Ayun na. Okay. Laber, giveaway, laber. Lakman, yung laber, bagi tabi. Okay. We have Bing Bing Diablo, ha? Yung namumuna po, yung dilaw na motor. We have Bing Bing Diablo, all the way from Pagadian. Sayang, bakit anong nangyari kay GP Lim? Yung namumuna kanina. Ayun na. Okay, bakbakan ko rin, oh. Laber, giveaway. Hoy, laber. Para, punil. Di ba napin ang laber sa bagay na bukod sa silo? Okay, bakbakan. Laber. Okay, pangapat na po, Maki Chong, no? Yun si Maki Chong, 250 lang yung motor niya. Okay. Okay, we have Min Ludin from Dipolog City.
Ito, taktakan, no?
Sir, wala ba tayong fire truck dito, sir? Wala tayong water tank dito, water truck, wala?
Wala.
Lahat ng mga tao pwedeng dyan. Ayun! O, tingnan nyo yung mga pro. Ayun na! Ayun! Well, Bing Bing Diablo! All the way from Pagadian, followed by Ron Pelidor from Cagayan de Oro. And then Angelo Medina from Usames. And the fourth place, we have Maki Chong, bike number 31, all the way from Ito, Zamboanga City. And then Mr. Alvarez from Zamboanga City. We have Bing Bing Malot from San Miguel. No? Okay, white flag. Okay. And a chicken flag. One time exhibition. Okay. We have Min Ludin, bike number 23. Our first leading man, we have Bing Bing Diablo.